Did you know many people are having trouble with changing their network switch's IP address? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Access settings. Open your browser and type in the switch's default IP address to access settings. Step 2. Login. Enter the default admin username and password to log in securely. Step 3. Find IPconfig. Navigate to the IP configuration section within the web interface. Step 4. Enter new IP. Input your new IP address, ensuring it matches your network's subnet. Step 5. Save changes. Save your changes and use the new IP for future access. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully change your switch's IP address. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Planet users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.